Meaning of Geoffrey de Havilland.
Geoffrey de Havilland.
Geoffrey de Havilland.
Geoffrey de Havilland.
Geoffrey de Havilland. Geoffrey de Havilland was a British aviation pioneer who founded the de Havilland Aircraft Company. He was an innovative designer and engineer, responsible for many important aircraft developments, including the Mosquito, one of the most successful combat aircraft of World War II. De Havilland was also a talented pilot, setting numerous speed and distance records. His contributions to aviation have had a lasting impact on the industry, influencing aircraft design and production for decades to come. Today, he is remembered as one of the great figures in aviation history.